Welcome to your briefing from the Department of Reality. Today we're going to walk through 5 WTF theories about the universe that will mess with the way you see normal life. Some of them come from serious physics. Some sound like science fiction. All of them raise one question: what if the universe is not what we think it is at all? Let's start with the most uncomfortable one. Theory number 1, we live in a simulation. According to this idea, our universe is not the base reality. It's a kind of high-resolution simulation running on some unimaginable computer. Why would anyone do that? To study how civilizations evolve? To replay different versions of history? Or just because some post-human teenager got bored and hit new game? Supporters of this theory point to strange limits in physics, the speed of light acting like a maximum data transfer rate, quantum effects that look like reality only renders when we measure it, and the fact that math seems to be built into everything. Is it proven? No, but here's the disturbing twist. If advanced civilizations can run many simulations, statistically, it may be more likely that you're in one of those than in the single original universe. If that's true, then physics is just the rulebook of the game. Theory number 2, the multiverse. Instead of one universe, there could be a gigantic collection of universes, each with different physical laws, constants, even numbers of dimensions. Imagine a cosmic foam where every bubble is a separate universe. In some of them, stars never form. In others, gravity is too strong or too weak for life. In a tiny fraction, the constants are just right, and one of those is ours. According to some versions of quantum theory, every time a quantum event can go two ways, the universe splits and both outcomes exist in parallel. In one universe, you never clicked on this video. In another, you did, and now you can't unhear this. If the multiverse is real, our entire cosmic story might be just one line in an infinite library. Theory number 3, the Cyclic Universe. We're used to the idea of a single Big Bang, a universe that expands, and maybe dies in the far future. But in cyclic models, the universe doesn't just start and end once. It reboots. The story goes like this. The universe expands for billions of years. Expansion slows down or changes. Everything collapses back into an ultra-dense state. Then another Big Bang. New cycle. New universe. Over and over again. Some versions even suggest that information can leak between cycles, so patterns, structures, maybe even certain laws of physics could echo from one universe to the next. So when you get déjà vu from looking at the night sky, maybe it's not just your brain. Maybe the cosmos itself has done this before. Theory number 4, consciousness is not a side effect, it's fundamental. Standard science says, matter and energy create brains, brains create minds, and your thoughts are just the result of physical processes. But some theories flip this completely. They say that consciousness is built into reality itself, like a basic property, similar to space, time, or mass. In this view, every particle has a tiny, primitive point of view. Complex systems like human brains or future AIs combine these into what we experience as rich, self-aware consciousness. That would mean the universe is not just dead matter. It's more like a huge, evolving field of experience. And your mind is a small, local glitch where the universe looks at itself and says, wait, what am I? If this is even partly true, then we are not just observers in the cosmos. We are the cosmos waking up. Theory number 5, the dark forest. Look at the sky. Hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy alone. Trillions of galaxies in the observable universe. And yet, silence. No greetings. No obvious megastructures. Just static. The dark forest idea says, the universe is silent not because there's nobody there, but because everyone is hiding. Imagine a dark forest at night. Every civilization is a hunter with a flashlight. If you shout or turn on a bright light, you reveal your position to whoever is out there, friendly or not. So the safest strategy is stay quiet, mask your signals, watch, but don't shout. In that case, our radio transmissions, satellites, and bright city lights might look like a loud drunk guy shouting in a dangerous neighborhood. And we have no idea who, if anyone, is listening. None of these theories are proven facts, but they all have one thing in common. They say the universe is way stranger than the everyday story we tell ourselves to stay calm. Maybe we're in a simulation. Maybe we're one bubble in an endless multiverse. Maybe the cosmos dies and respawns forever. Maybe consciousness is not a bug, but a feature. Maybe space is full of civilizations, whispering in the dark. If even one of these ideas is close to the truth, what does that make you? This channel is an ongoing briefing about the future of space and reality. If you want more reports like this, hit subscribe now and stay on this channel. In the comments, tell me which theory keeps you up at night. Type sim, multi, cycle, mind, or forest. Transmission ends. Until the next glitch.